Some customers have multiple hierarchies, they have multiple product lines, and it gets pretty complex. Our data is more or less schemaless, and we need that transactional level performance to power our application. Any technology solution that you pick should be tied to business impact. Hey everyone, my name is Sha. I'm actually CTO of Catalyst and Totango, and we're in the customer success platform space. And so basically we build the tools to help our customers manage their customers. And so we bring in a lot of data and we help our customers get insights so that they can automate their workflow and make decisions around expansion, upsells, risk management, and overall helping their customers succeed. When we went into this space, things were a lot simpler. Our customers, they're looking at automating their workflows, but more and more, the more data that we're starting to bring in, we're also seeing customers ask more complex questions around, what's happening in this data source? What's happening in that data source that's trending yellow, that's logged a ticket in the last 30 days? And so because of that, we decided those use cases are very analytical. They're very much like a data warehouse use case. Those are the type of questions that you would normally go to a BI team and things like that, right? Except our customers actually expect this to be driving their workflow automation. So a lot of our customers have very diverse business needs. And so because of that, there is not one single schema we can force our customers into. So it's not like, hey, everything is structured this way. Some customers have multiple hierarchies, they have multiple product lines, and it gets pretty complex. And so we needed something that can support that level of complexity across multiple data sources and be able to serve, our application in real time. So we looked at several solutions, both, distributed SQL, HTAP, data stores. But basically, one of the reasons, right, is that we have a very diverse set of customers. So our data is more or less schemaless. We need to support the flexibility of when somebody updates, fields or columns in the Salesforce, our columns change. So we actually have a white tables with dynamic DDL format that we're storing. And we need that transactional level performance to power our application. And so those all led to us, testing out the performance, cost. Those are some of the factors that we looked at. And TiDB definitely, outshined some of the other technologies we looked at. Yeah, so I would say first, start with the business problem you're trying to solve. And any technology solution that you pick should be tied to business impact. It shouldn't be just, hey, this is a cool technology and we want to try it out, but really add the business value aspect of it. I think second, look at the community and the ecosystem, right? For any open source project, are there active contributors? Is the community strong in terms of, moderators and people who are curating and kind of really feeding, engagement in that community, right? And then, additionally, from a partnership perspective, is this going to be a partner that's going to be along with you for the next couple of years for this journey? So we talked about, 2 years ago, we selected TiDB. I think we were one of the first adopters of TiDB Cloud in North America, right? We love the community. We loved the technology. This is something that our, developers can get really excited behind, but it also solved a very key critical business problem for us that, we couldn't solve with our existing tech stack.